He thinking about.
That's so fake, right?
How many more days till Christmas? But my brother didn't change that. Oh.
Tainted love. 30. I said I was gonna wake up early this week. 6:30. Let's go. Okay. I have to sneeze. I'm gonna get ready. Oh my god.
In between all of like the letters to make it cool. To make it cool, but yeah.
Fly us out of there.
I had to sneeze. Ow, my eyelash.
I haven't had an opportunity to wear it yet, and I can't think of what the opportunity would be, but it's so great. Okay, how cute is this dress? But look how annoying this is.
Oh no.
Ew. Was that a cough or a sneeze? Yeah, so if you're interested in that, I'll link the vlog down below. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. Anyways, see you guys in another. There she is.
Увлекается великом, причем очень сильно. Но у меня стоит велик на балконе.
Thank you.
У меня сейчас все смоется. Боже мой, надо прекращать.